The nitrile gloves included with Pesti shipments are meant to prevent direct skin contact with Pesti Smart Pest Plan pesticides during mixing and application. When handling pesticides, always put on a fresh pair of nitrile gloves before you open any container and keep them on through mixing and application until you have fully cleaned up. Nitrile is resistant to many pesticide formulations and provides a barrier that latex and vinyl often cannot. So choose intact gloves without holes and check the glove thickness if available for heavier formulations. Change gloves if they become torn, sticky, or soaked, and do not wash and reuse single-use gloves because contamination can remain in microabrasions. Remove gloves using a cuff-to-cuff peel technique so contaminated surfaces fold inward and avoid touching your face or clothing while gloved. After removal, place gloves in a sealed trash bag and dispose with other household waste per local regulations. Then immediately wash hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Store spare gloves in a cool, dry place away from sunlight so they do not degrade before use. Common mistakes start with using the wrong glove material because people assume any disposable glove is the same, and that can let chemicals permeate. Fix this by always using nitrile for Pesti products and check the product label for compatibility guidance. Another frequent issue is improper removal that leads to skin contamination. Prevent this by using the cuff-to-cuff peel and washing hands right after glove removal. A third concern is reusing disposable gloves to save money, which traps contaminants and increases exposure. Avoid reuse and budget for proper supplies as part of your pest control routine. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for jobs related to pest control and other homework, and we also help contractors find work by connecting them with local leads. We offer a site discussion community so users and professionals can share experiences, ask questions, and learn best practices from one another.